A Cybertruck.
What?
Sure a win. Well, this is our first time taking the Rivian. We're gonna go off-road, and here I'll kind of zoom out for you up to Big Bear. I'm gonna zoom in here. Oh, I'm driving. That's Big Bear Lake, and there is a trail that starts right here, and that's gonna be our first official adventure. So stay tuned for more. So we're entering, I believe this is downtown Lucerne. So last time when we went to Joshua Tree Adventure
In
Network,
a quarter mile, bear right to stay on California 18.
GPS. Anyway, last time we went straight. So if we were to go straight here, we'd go to the Joshua Tree charging network. Instead, we're gonna make a right and
Bear
head
right to stay on California 18.
Big Bear. It's like gonna talk over the lady. Big Bear Lake. Here we go. We're just about to pass our highest point ever right now. We will probably be getting up to around 7,000-ish feet eventually. So that's a new for us. Exciting. All right, we've arrived. This is the paved road, and then I'm assuming it will become unpaved. And we're actually gonna bounce into snow mode here, because, well, yeah. I mean, that's kind of snow-ish. So here, clicking on snow. And here we go. We still have the Christmas tree and the snowman. Well, so far it's handling really well. It's nice too with the cameras, because you can kind of see everything going on. And it definitely motors around just fine. Even the tires, these all seasons, very nice. So nice to finally take the vehicle out in the elements. So pretty. I'm sorry. All right, elevation is 6,765. We just completed our first off-road. Let's take a look at the vehicle, how it fared. Yeah, that's that part everybody was talking about, how this gets potentially chipped. I could see that. But the tires handled great. No issues with that. Yeah, I'm actually in the snow here. You can see the way the snow is grabbed up on there. Going down this way. In general, everything looks pretty darn good. So, yeah, so far so good. We're in the Big Bear area still. It's got some cool things around here. Who dat?
Well, he's loading it. He's using it as a truck.
So after we just went on our little journey in Big Bear, we know there are some Tesla chargers. I just don't know if it's the right type. And based on the map here within Rivian, it's not really showing them. So I'm a little concerned, but there are some other spots to charge, just not quite the same. No, it's a shame there's not enough snow. There's a little bit of sledding going on. That's cool. Alexa, give me navigational directions to Starbucks.
There is a Starbucks 2.6 miles away on 42170 Big Bear Boulevard.
That's cool. You see here on the left, there's a San Francisco trolley clearly lost. Well, in Big Bear, there is a charging station within walking distance of a Starbucks. Apparently, it's called Loop. So we are gonna try Loop. And scene. Yeah, Loop is charging the Rivian. The other one, it's always a little scary, I'll say this, with EVs, but this guy's out of service. So we're down to this one, and the Tesla charger was fully taken, so it's kicking. It's good. So how fast is Loop charging us? Not bad, 130 miles per hour. So I'll take it. That's good enough. Thank you. Had another Rivian try to get a charging spot. We just got the last free one. See, that's her right there. And there, she's trying to find a spot. So I told her to come back. We just need about 30 minutes of charging, but that is frustrating. You have more EVs like that, that's gonna happen more, so interesting. Okay, we have the adaptive high beams on. Watch, see how it deletes? Now watch when this guy goes by. There it comes back up. Here we got, there, and it comes back. That's the coolest thing. We had a great time. It was a lot of fun. Although we didn't do extreme four-wheel driving, kind of took it easy for the first round. It was a lot of fun. It was just nice to get out, and the vehicle just handles so well. It's so smooth. So in any event, if you're interested in getting one, use my code. I'll leave the link, and I wish you a great week. Thanks, everybody, and take care.